Hello, my name is Caleb Probine and here is my project for the Codeworx challenge. For my project I have done a security system which uses an ultrasonic sensor to set a light bulb, an LED, flashing based on how far away someone is. So here is the project. Here is the hardware, and so this is the Raspberry Pi. Here is the light setup, and here is the cable setup for the ultrasonic sensor. And so here, cables from the pins send information to the breadboard, and then cables on the breadboard are linked up to the ultrasonic sensor. Two of these cables are the trig and echo, and they figure out how long it takes for a signal to get back when it is sent. So and it uses the speed of sound to calculate how it does that. And then this purple wire links up to a resistor, which links up to a light bulb, which will light that up. And this purple wire is a numbered pin, so that when I do it in a function, it will trigger and make this light go on and off. And here, on this breadboard, we have two resistors and some cables, and so these two resistors are to make sure that the current isn't too great, so that it doesn't damage the Pi or the sensor. And this black cable is the power, and these three other cables, this red, yellow, and blue cable to here, are the ones that transmit information to and from the Pi to get the information about how far away an object is. So here is the program working, and so this is the ultrasonic sensor, and here will be the bulb. And so the command we type in is sudo python sensor.py, which directs us to the Python file that runs this. And here we see the distance measurement in progress, and so it's measuring the distance in centimeters between the sensor and the closest thing. And right now it's set to when it gets closer than 70 centimeters, it will get this light blinking. And so, if I put my hand here, it changes the distance to 1.46 centimeters, and this light begins to blink. It's the pins that are set here. And so that's what this is. Now here is the while loop that checks for the distance of the object, which might be a doorway or someone else. And so here it prints the distance measurement in progress and the other notifications. And so here it sets up GPIO for getting information in and out from the Raspberry Pi and the sensor. And then this is where it measures, and here it waits, and then here it times for a fraction of a second, and then it measures a distance, or no, it figures out from the speed of sound, and so calculating from the speed of sound and the time taken, it can calculate the distance from these, where it divides by 2, and timesing by the values of the speed of sound. Here it can figure out how far away it is, and so give a quite accurate value of the distance.